I am the stone that the builder refused. I am the visual, the inspiration that made ladies sing the blues. I'm the spark that makes your idea bright. The same spark that lights the dark so that you can know your left from your right. I am the stone that the builder refused. I am the visual, the inspiration that made ladies sing the blues. I'm the spark that makes your idea bright. The same spark that lights the dark so that you can know your left from your right. I am the ballad in your box, the bullet in the gun, the inner glow that let you know to call your brother son. The story that just begun, the promise of what's to come. And I'ma remain a soldier till the war is won. Chop, chop, chop. You gon' flip. Chop, chop, chop. You gon' flip. Chop, chop, chop. You gon' flip. Chop, chop, chop.
Yeah, sure. You know what I'm saying? You feel me, cuz? Hold on, get the angles, my guy. Get the angles, my guy. Hold on. Turn that bad boy around, but yeah. What it do, YouTube, son? It's your boy Wade Poppy Cunny, and I'm back with another video, son. And today, bro, as you can see in the title, bro, I'm finna be going to McDonald's, bro. Give me a Happy Meal, you know what I'm saying? I'm finna be attempting to eat that Happy Meal under 15 seconds, bro. This video was put onto me by Matt Stoney, bro. I'm finna be attempting to break his record, bro, you know what I'm saying? For those of you that know me in person, bro, y'all know how I be eating, you know what I'm saying? I eat slow as the mug, you know what I'm saying? I like the flavor, I like to say the flavor of my food, you know what I'm saying, bro? Like, I like to get what I pay for, bro. So this video I'm about to be attempting to eat fast as a mug, you know what I'm saying? Finish my food in under like 15 seconds, bro. It's a Happy Meal, so I'm finna head to McDonald's, bro. I'm finna get to y'all as soon as we get to McDonald's, bro. Peace. Alright, man, so we are currently at McDonald's, you feel what I'm saying? I'm finna go through the drive-thru, order something, you know what I'm saying? I'm a little hungry, y'all boys, but hey, man, we finna get this joint started with, you know what I'm saying? I'm finna pull up, you know what I'm saying? Set this on the dash. Set this on the dashboard. Ah, fuck! Alright, y'all, we got our kids' meal, bro, so we finna head home right now. Alright, man, so we are back at the house, son. We got the Happy Meal right here, bro. I'm finna demolish this joint, bro. Y'all not hearing this, bro. I'm gonna set the stopwatch, you know what I'm saying, on my phone, you know what I'm saying? We got everything in the kids' meal box, you know what I'm saying? Hasn't even been open yet, y'all boys. Check me out. It's all in here, check me out. You know what I'm saying? If y'all can see in there, it's all in there. But we finna go crazy, bro. I'm gonna put this timer on my stopwatch, bro. Let's go crazy, y'all boys. Finna start it soon, you know what I'm saying? It's right here, y'all boys. So I'm finna get everything out, you know what I'm saying? And I'm finna go crazy. Show everything out. Alright. Shit. This little burger, guys. This little cheeseburger, guys. Look at this one. Yeah. Yo, they ain't say there wasn't no rules, bro. I want to put the French fries on this burger, bro, and go crazy, bro. Alright. Alright, so y'all Pat that bad boy down. I got the juice right here too. I gotta finish the juice too, so I set. Under 15 seconds, y'all boys. Go. This joint dry. How many seconds we at? Bruh. 18 seconds, my guy. It's over. Forget about it, bro. I ain't doing this challenge, bro. I'm still on this one bite, bro. I'm gonna take my time and finish my joint, bro. It's whatever. But hey, y'all like, subscribe, and comment for more, bro. I can't do this challenge, bro. I'm still on my first bite, bro. I'm gonna catch y'all later, bro. Peace.